Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to answer the question how to use Dubai Islamic Bank online banking. You see, to use DIB online banking, also known as Alt Online, allows you to manage your accounts and perform various transactions from your computer or mobile device. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to the official Dubai Islamic Bank website, which is deep.ae. Look for the online banking or Alt Online login section on the homepage. This is often located in the top right corner or within a prominent menu. Click on the login option for personal banking. If you're a registered user, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Deep also offers a quick login feature using your active card, that is debit or credit number, and its corresponding 4-digit PIN. After entering your credentials, you will typically receive a one-time password, that is OTP, on your registered mobile number for two-factor authentication. Enter the OTP in the designated field to log into your online banking account. Once logged in, you will arrive at your online banking dashboard. This dashboard provides a consolidated view of your accounts, including savings accounts, current account, deposits, financing, and cards. You should see options to view account balances, transaction history, and other account details. You can also perform basic transactions like fund transfers. Just simply look for a transfer or fund transfer option. You can typically transfer funds between your own DIB account to other DIB accounts or to accounts of other banks, internationally and domestic. You may need to add beneficiaries before making transfers. You can also use it for bill payments by simply finding the payments or bill payment section, where you can pay utility bills, telecommunication bills, and other services. You might be able to pay saved billers or add new ones. Now there are also card services. There's usually a section for managing your cards, where you can view card details, pay credit card bills, activate or block cards, and potentially manage card settings. That's what you can do there. Then under statements, you can look for an option to view or download account statements. You can usually select the period for which you want the statement. Now, when it comes to security precaution, always ensure you are on the official DIB website before entering your login details. Never share your username, password, or OTP with anyone. Be cautious of phishing emails or messages that ask for your banking credentials. DIB will not ask for this information via email or on official channels. Log out of your online banking section when you have finished your transactions by clicking the log out button. Avoid simply closing the browser window. Log out. This guide covers the fundamental steps. DIB online banking offers many other services such as applying for products, locating branches or ATMs, and managing personal details. Explore the menu options on your dashboard to discover the full range of available services.